Natural Rebel. So I wanted to record because I'm getting ready to go out on a little outing, getting my nails done, my feet done, and I just want to show you guys the struggle, the actual real struggle of being natural. So like I said, I don't really blow my hair out as often. I'm trying to figure out how to style this hair before I go out. So I thought it would be a good idea to actually film this for y'all. So I really don't know how to style this. I was thinking about maybe doing like a little twist or something and then pinning it back. But then it's like, I don't really like that style. So, just want to show y'all that being natural is not always, a fun thing. So I'm just trying to record, show you guys, the realness of this. So, I was going more for a look like maybe something like that or something, and just like bobby pin it. I don't know. Help a sister out, cause I need some styles that I can wear with a blowout with this much hair, you guys. So I don't know. The girl is struggling right now, so bear with me. But then I thought about putting it back, a little bit like that. I think I'm gonna stick with this. Stick with just pinning it back. Maybe this little style here will stick or create some type of hold or something. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to film to just give you guys some realness, because being natural is not always easy. And like I said, I struggle too with this natural hair journey. And I've been natural for almost 7 years, but I don't have everything. I don't have everything figured out either. So I'm just like y'all, people that's watching this too, that's struggling. Like I said, I don't wear my hair blown out as often, so just wanted to show y'all, I might make this YouTube channel or videos for my channel, but I don't have everything always, like everything down pat either. So y'all not the only ones. Hopefully I got some bobby pins in here in place. Probably looks a mess. I'm trying to maybe shape it up or something, but I didn't know. I don't know, you guys. Whew. It's looking a hot mess right now. I mean, it kind of look cute a little bit, but this is what I'm working with right now. Trying to give a little shape to it at least. And if y'all like me and you having a bad hair day or whatever, you can always jazz yourself up with like some accessories, cause I'm a big accessories girl. These are brand new. I had these for almost a month or two and never worn, but I'm gonna wear them today, and they're gonna give me a different look. greasy. I don't know why. Got like oil or something on these earrings. But I hope that they stay in my ear. But they're super cute, y'all. Ew. So I guess this could be like a get ready with me thing type of video, I guess. While y'all watch me struggle to get myself together. And I don't think these earring backs are gonna stay for these earrings. So I probably even put some of those little plastic earring backs on it because it's not gonna stay. But I don't know, y'all. This is what I'm looking like. I don't really like it too much, but I guess it would do. You know, I got this is a new hoodie too. It's super cute. Ooh, I love it. Just something I can just throw on and go out in. It's super cute and colorful, which really describes me. So y'all might see me wearing a lot of colorful stuff. But this is really cute. Got it for a pink. It was on sale. They might still have a sale going on right now. So yeah. I'm trying to let y'all see me without messing the camera up. But yeah, y'all, this is what I'm working with. You know, I'm just trying to show y'all, you know, the real me. I'm gonna meet a real long video. But this is how I look right now. I don't think it looked too bad. But like I said, y'all see me struggling trying to figure out how to style my hair because it's a lot of hair. But then, even though it looks crazy, a little bit crazy, I probably could have did it a little better if I took my time. But I'm trying to go ahead and hit the nail place while it's early because, you know, whenever everybody get off work, it's gonna be packed in there. So I'm trying to go ahead and beat the rush. But yeah, you guys, I struggle too. With this natural hair thing. Like I said, I don't have everything down to the T yet. My curls though, I pretty much got that. But when it comes down to like this blowout stuff, I can wear it out big. But when it's come down to get ready to style this big hair, all this hair, no ma'am, it's a struggle for me. So if y'all know of any styles for like blowouts, easy styles for blowouts, let me know. Comment below. If y'all got any tutorials, let me know so I can go check it out and watch it because I need some help. This how the back look. It probably look crazy. I don't even know, but yeah, just wanna show y'all that. Maybe this light, turn the volume so I can see more. I still feel crazy y'all, but I mean, I'm going out, I got on a hoodie, so maybe it gives that, like, I ain't got no makeup on, no eyeshadows either, so. This all it is, just simple. I think it's cute. But yeah, you guys. Ooh. For today, I just see my earring just fell off because those earring backs do not work well, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video so I can go put some new different earring backs on here, the little plastic kind, because one I got is a little silver, which I don't really stick. So yeah, I'm gonna get these earring backs. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, share this with y'all. It's gonna be a little quick video, but thank y'all for watching this video. Just wanted to show you guys a little more of me and, you know, give you guys some tea on this hair struggles. But yeah, you guys, like I said, we're not the only one out there struggling. If you know, if you're natural and sometimes you have bad hair days sometimes and you be like, man, it's a struggle. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Hope it was a little entertaining. I'm trying to, you know, just post a little bit more, give you guys more content, and just to show you guys a little bit more of my personality and just me in general. But get ready to go get this mani-pedi because these nails definitely need to be done over there. But and plus, I'm treating myself, so it's kind of like a, self-care and just treating yourself and relaxing, on my day off. It gives me time to relax and just have my mind clear for a little while. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that button below. Subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share this, this video. Alright guys. Toodles. Until next time. Peace.